Welcome to the Melly
and Shally show.
The show where we unpack the LIQUI MOLY range, one product at a time.
So today's product focus will be our motor compartment cleaner, and this is a degreasing application for the engine compartment.
So a nice way that this product actually works is you spray it throughout the engine, you leave it to activate and to be able to work on all the greasy parts. Then you have water and you nicely spray it off. So it is so simple to use, and then afterwards you'll use our compartment protector that will then take care of all the different sectors and make sure that the plastic is taken care of, and also that there's no corrosion that takes place. But we want to show you how effective this product is to clean your engine. So Shally has brought, we're not in an engine, but there's a part of the engine that's standing here on the counter, and I think that shows you and can give you quite a nice idea of what this product can do. So Shally, let's spray it. I'll be ready with the water so that we can see what the engine compartment cleaner can actually do.
Perfect. So this is just an illustration of the engine component itself. You can see there's a lot of accumulation of grease and sludge, and this is generally what you find in an engine that has not been taken care of. With itself, the motor compartment cleaner is very economical. Why I say that is a lot of times in competitor brand you buy a 5-liter fluid and you spray the entire engine, but you have to do it three or four times. With this is quite intense cleaning, and we're going to show you how easy it is to use. So it's a basic spray application. You're just going to spray. I'll just spray the front piece of this. Sorry, Mel, it's quite strong, and I just want to rotate it a bit. So this is a CV joint drive shaft on a transfer case on a bucky. But I'm not going to leave it too long, but just to give you an indication of when I wipe this down.
Let me just quickly also spray it a bit with water.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So they can see it's got a bit of an oiliness to it, and that separates the surface tension of the dirt from this component.
So how long would I need to leave this on, Shally?
Depending on the severity, Mel. So this is quite a severe case. Especially if you look at the joint at the back here, there's a lot of grease and dirt accumulated there. So we recommend between 10 to 20 minutes. I'll leave this on the engine compartment, and as you can see, already it's got a much better texture to it, and you are grease and oil free. So you're ready to go if you want to fit components or just clean the engine in case there was an oil leak.
All right, so simple to use. And the better results the longer you leave it. I mean, you've sprayed it on and left it for only a couple of seconds, and it's already, you can see a massive difference from before and after. So the LIQUI MOLY compartment cleaner, making your life easy, washing your engine. I know a lot of guys, I mean, the detail and cleaning their cars from inside, outside, want to make sure the chassis is also nice and clean. Now you can also make sure that your engine is grease-free and looks like you can actually eat from it. Not that you would want to. So the LIQUI MOLY engine compartment cleaner, the ideal product to make sure that your engine looks as clean as the outside. LIQUI MOLY, thank you for watching the Melly
and Shally show.